Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube TV and signing in with the account that manages your subscriptions. You do this now because the service reads device time for live and DVR scheduling. Once signed in, navigate to Settings. Make sure your streaming device and router show the current local time. You need those set correctly so recordings and live pauses align. If your device is wrong, change it in the next step. Otherwise, you might misplace recordings or see incorrect program times. Now adjust the device time settings because YouTube TV mirrors device and network time to schedule playback and DVR. Go to your streaming device settings, then System or General, and choose Date and Time. Select Automatic or use network-provided time when available, since that prevents drift after reboots. If Automatic isn't accurate, manually set the time zone to your local city rather than UTC so guide listings match. Once done, restart the YouTube TV app to force it to refresh. Finish by forcing the YouTube TV app to refresh so the new time takes effect. You can close the app fully or reboot the device. That prompts server sync and updates the guide. If program times remain incorrect, verify your router's time and your ISP's network time because YouTube may pull metadata from either. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall YouTube TV. That resets local metadata. One troubleshooting tip. If recordings missed slots, check DVR offsets after correcting time, then manually reschedule if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.